So there is a new leak for the OnePlus 13 that shows a large battery, better cameras and more flat screen, but there might be a catch. Let's start with the display. We were expecting a screen with a curved edges on all four sides, but turns out that's not the case. One of the key difference with the OnePlus 13 is the move to a flat display. Unlike the curved screens of the OnePlus 12 and 12R, the OnePlus 13 is rumored to have a flat screen. While some may miss the sleek look of curved display, this change could be a hit with those who find curved screens less user-friendly. Curved screens can sometimes lead to accidental touches and may not be as comfortable to hold for a long period of time. The OnePlus 13 has so far been rumored to employ a new camera island design compared to its predecessor. Now we have got some new info about the camera. According to the tipster digital chat station, the OnePlus 13 will have 350 megapixel sensors. The Periscope Telephoto will also have a 50 megapixel along with a 3x optical zoom. Additionally, the telecamera will feature some cool Hasselblad technology, ensuring the continued collaboration between OnePlus and the camera brand. In my last video, I mentioned a possible upgrade for the OnePlus 13, a whopping 6000 mAh battery, a big upgrade from the 5400 mAh battery in the OnePlus 12. If this turns out to be true, we would be looking at some seriously impressive battery life, maybe even lasting over 2 days on a single charge. Combine that with the efficiency boost for the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip and we might just have a new battery life king in our hand. So the catch with these all new upgrades is, according to the same leak, the phone might not have wireless charging. This could start a debate considering OnePlus just brought back wireless charging with the OnePlus 12 after leaving it off the OnePlus 11. The reason for possibly getting rid of wireless charging is not clear, but it might have to do with fitting in a bigger battery. Losing wireless charging might not be ideal for some, but it could be a worthwhile trade-off for others. The OnePlus 13 is rumored to come with a 6000 mAh battery and a 100-watt wired charging, which means you can still enjoy a fast and convenient charging experience without the need of wireless charging. Ultimately, the significance of wireless charging depends on person to person. Some may prefer the long battery life over the convenience of wireless charging. Just a reminder that these are just early rumors about the OnePlus 13. The final specifications may change. We will have to wait for the OnePlus to confirm, but if these leaks are true, the OnePlus 13 could be quite the talk of the town. So what do you think of this new OnePlus 13? Let me know in the comment section. With that being said, subscribe if you like and I will see you in the next one.